What's up you guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Dream channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. If you are interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, consider subscribing to our channel and check out our videos. As you are aware, we have started the initiative of explaining Java concepts in under a minute, and today under that initiative we are going to talk about arrays in Java. So to demonstrate about the arrays, we have the timer ready, and I'm resetting the timer to 0, and we have a class ready. Before getting into the actual programming, let's talk about array for a few seconds. Arrays are nothing but it is a non-primitive data type available in Java, which is used for holding the elements of a similar data type. Like an arrays can be of different types. Like it can be an integer array, it can be a string array, or it can be a character array. And let's jump into the programming now, and let's hit the timer. The syntax of writing an array is a data type followed by the square braces, and you have your name of the array equals new the data type available, and you have to specify the size of the array. And if you wanted to write in a character array, so just replace your integer with the character data type. And if you wanted to write a string array, then instead of the character, replace it by the string array. And if you know the elements straight away, then you can directly type in the elements of the array. How can you iterate the elements of the array? Elements of the array can be iterated by making use of loops, and here I am going to iterate the string array by making use of enhanced for loop. So as I know each and every element stored in this array is a string, so I am putting it as a string, and I am holding everything inside the a variable, and I am going to print in this a. And let's try to run this particular program, and the elements of the array are iterated. Tom, Jerry and Joy are iterated, and we are able to print the elements of the array. Bingo. Hope you found this video informative, where we spoke about various kinds of an array and how to iterate an array. If you found this concept of explaining the ideas in under 1 minute, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We will meet you with more exciting videos soon. Thank you.